Today we're diving into the deep world of shop organization, sharing tips that will not only supercharge your woodworking skills, but also make your workspace more efficient, safer, and dare I say, sexier.
Oh, well, all right then.
First up, we have a tip that's a complete game changer, in my opinion, the tool island. It's like creating a central hub for your woodworking journey, where all your favorite tools are just an arm's length away. Imagine the joy of crafting without that tool scavenger hunt dance that we all know so well. A tool island doesn't just save time, but it also promotes safety by reducing clutter and the risk of tripping over tools. But it gets even better. While setting up your tool island, you can include a central or portable dust collection system. It's like having that personal assistant for your workshop. A dust collection system doesn't just keep the workspace clean, but it also safeguards your health by reducing exposure to harmful dust particles and making your woodworking area safer and more enjoyable. Now let's talk about keeping your workbench tidy and efficient. I'm talking glues, small clamps, and measuring tools, those unsung heroes of your projects. Having a dedicated space for these items means no more rummaging around for the right glue or measuring tape. An organized workbench not only increases efficiency, but also reduces stress. No more, where the did I put that? Tip number 3 is about making your workshop the envy of all woodworkers.
Big whoop, wanna fight about it?
Have you met the French Cleat tool wall? It's like a magic trick, but without the top hat. You can hang your power tools right where you need them, quick and easy access at your fingertips. This clever system doesn't just save space, it allows you to keep your tools organized and visible, so you're always in control of your workflow. And speaking of easy access, let's not forget those trusty hand tools. You know, the chisels, hand planes, and hand saws. They deserve a cozy home too. With a hand tool till, you can keep them organized and always at the ready, just like a loyal friend. A hand tool till not only keeps your tools in excellent condition, but it also adds a touch of traditional craftsmanship to your workspace. It's like a little piece of woodworking heritage right there on your wall. Now let's tackle that lurking lumber monster in your workshop. The question is, do we go vertical or horizontal? Well, that's completely up to you. In my space, a vertical rack just saves space and helps keep my lumber visible and easy to access. But if you don't have the ceiling height, a horizontal rack is just as good. Both will allow you to optimize your space while keeping your lumber neat and well organized. And lastly, let's not forget your clamps, the unsung heroes that hold your projects together. They deserve some love too. With wall storage racks, your clamps are out of the way, but always ready to save the day. Organized clamp storage not only saves space, but prevents tripping hazard and also extends the lifespan of your clamps. No more damaged clamps at the bottom of a pile. Well, those are my 6 tips for a more organized shop. By implementing these, you'll not only work more efficiently, but you'll also enjoy your woodworking just a little bit more. You can share your thoughts or additional tips down in the comments below.